So we're finally inside this beautiful trailer, and now we are getting rid of the things that we're not going to keep and keeping the things that we are going to keep. This is my nephew, Owen, my niece, Anna, my big brother, Jonathan, is on the case. Peta is camera lady right now, and my parents, and we're going to try to make this thing happen. We'll see. It might be great. It might not be great. It's going to be great. There's a comb over there that I'm pretty sure belonged to a murderer, so that's a murderer comb. You're welcome. But I'm so excited.
I'll keep you.
Yes, I'll help you, Owen. Yes, perfect. Come here, bring your Here, let me help you. Wait. There you go.
Whoa.
Whoa. Good job, Anna. This is why you have a niece, so they'll do all the dirty work, right? Just kidding. This is the before. There's a free gift in here, Anna.
It's
Pita crackers. Anna, what did we find in here? A murder penny? Murder pennies! So that one is on the back left. Oh. But some of them may just be taking it down to the bones. I mean, this isn't real wood. You know? Patrick's seen pictures of it. Yep. To the murder drapes. We already said goodbye to the murder mattresses. And I think you're gonna agree with me in getting rid of this funky material. I have makeup all over my face. It's real cute. I know this is going to be a really uncomfortable decision, but I'm not going to keep this blind. How creepy is that?
It's so well made.
Privacy, please. Former owner, we found your puzzle piece. So sad the puzzle is ruined. This place is beautiful.
Tough.
I
Like
kind
the
of